Okay, so look. So circumference of a circle is 2 pi radius. Area of a circle is pi r squared, right? You guys did this yesterday. Pi is the equivalent of 3.14. So if you guys want to use your phone and you want to use 3.14, that's fine. Yeah, it doesn't matter. You can easily transfer over to my calculators and you can still do fine on a test or quiz. Okay, so look, here's the ones you did yesterday on the assignment. So given a circle, here I give you the radius. The radius is 3. What's the circumference? 2 pi radius, which is 3, so 6 pi, or pi, 3 squared, 9 pi, and then of course I give the decimal equivalents, okay? Okay, so that's really easy. Move it up a little. I'll put it back down, okay? So easy is if I give you all the information, meaning I give you the radius, come up with the area and the circumference. Okay, that's what you did yesterday. Okay, not as easy. Okay, in the beginning you might be like, what? But I know you guys probably did this in your other classes, okay, like in 6th, 7th grade or whatever. Okay, so so if this is a formula, 2 pi radius for circumference, what is the radius if I give you the circumference value? So the circumference is 56.4 centimeters. Can you tell me what the radius is? Well, if you guys understand that the formula is 2 pi radius, I'm going to take that 56.4 and I'm going to substitute it for this C. I just realized I combined 2 steps. So I plug it in for that C and I get 56.4 is equal to 2 pi radius. Okay, so now this is the radius I want to solve for. This is my goal. This is what I want. So now what do? Take that 2 pi and divide 2 pi left and right of the equal sign, right? So divide by 2 pi, divide by 2 pi. Grab a calculator, and when it's up to you, I'll do it 2 ways. 56.4, and then in the denominator 2 pi, and there's my answer, 8.98. Or you could say 56.4 divide by 2 times 3.14 if, say, you want the 3.14 button, in place of the pi button, and I get 8.98. It's still the same, okay, but 10 thousandths, the values are different. Okay, or you could say, what's 56.4 divided by 2, and then you could hit pi, and you still get the same answer. So again, just like with trig, this test as well, to do well on this test, you have to know what you like on the calculator. There's a preference to it. Do you want the fraction button, or do you want the division? Whoops, not both. Or do you want the division? And you could even do it in steps. 56.4 divided by 2, and then go divided by 3.14, and there's my 8.98. Okay, so for those of you that are asking, find the radius given the circumference. Okay, so then what's the next one? What is the area if they give you the area value is 156.2 meters squared? What is the area? Duh, you're like, that is the area. What is the radius if the area is 156.2 meters? Okay, so if the formula is pi r squared, take that 156.2, substitute it, and now what are you going to divide by? Pi. Right, because you're trying to isolate r squared. You're looking for r. So divide by pi. So what is 156.2 divided by 3.14? 490.468, right? And then you would go ahead and square root that. But what's 156.2 divided by 3.14? There's that value, or you hit 156.2 divided by 3.14. Oh, I did times, you guys. Divided by, and you get that 49.7. Okay, the only thing is you have to square root, okay? So just go at your pace. It's the first, I think, 12 problems on the worksheet. I'll come around, but ideally grab a calculator, write out the formula, write out your substitution. On a quiz or a test, you better write out that substitution. You better put the circumference value here, the area value here, and then you have to show the solving. And then you get your radius. And it's okay if it's decimal. Fair? Yeah? Okay. Let me stop this.